Did you know? A single sneeze can travel up to 100 miles per hour and launch about 100,000 germs into the air. That's why sneezing into your elbow or a tissue is so important. It stops germs from spreading. Sneezes are triggered when the nasal lining is irritated by dust, pollen, or even bright light. Some people even have a photic sneeze reflex, causing them to sneeze when exposed to sunlight. And no, your heart doesn't stop when you sneeze. That's just a myth. It may skip a beat from the chest pressure, but it keeps beating.